All right, this is Liberty stock number 51400. It's an extrude hone, Vector 200 abrasive flow machine, serial number R061433, new 2006. Has an Allen Bradley Micrologics and a Magellan interface.
It do. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's go.
Want to move up on it?
Yeah.
Show the control, which is everything, really. Walk around a little bit, come back, and we'll point out a few things on my mini setup here.
Sure.
Got a temporary die setup that's just needed for back pressure, so that works.
Okay.
All our temp lines, got the hydraulic unit here with all the documentation up on top, electrical drawings, operator manual. Watch yourself on the floor, got the air down there. Everything coming in the side except for, let's see, we got everything. Hydraulics, air, connector, yep.
And this one does not have a chiller.
No, it's, yeah, you can see the water outlets down. They put them in all the machines, I think, but it does not. It's capable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you want me?
Yeah, well, I'll show a little bit on the screen. Come on over. And it's the front screen. These are our main two screens. It's that guy and this guy. So just going over here, we're doing volume displacement, two-way mode, 3 cycles, nothing crazy here. 225 cubic inches. Media pressure I've got down real low at 500. So I had it at 600. I blew out my plastic ring, so I backed it off. It's just too strong. So I made my trip pressure at 50%, so it starts counting a little bit sooner. 3-second time delay on retract cylinders. We can run this one off, and after that we can shoot over to maybe a time thing. I can bring up oil. Well, what else we got here? So, I mean, yeah, this is all live readings, cycles, volume, process pressure is all pretty much live readings. Process time is live, flow rate. So this is ongoing. While we're running, we'll stay on this screen right here. That said, I'll bring up the oil. And you can't see top and bottom cylinder. I suppose if I advance the bottom cylinder, you probably see that thing lift up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, so there it is. And unclamp is right here. Clamp is dual palm right in front of you there if you want to show that, because that's what I'm going to use to bring it down. That said, once we bring it down, we clamp up. We need to get clamped on the unclamped cylinder. That's got to go from unclamp to clamp. I think we're right around, there's our clamp pressure, live reading again. We're right around 1900. It won't do an auto cycle below 1750, I don't think. So let me bring it down. I think we got a full cylinder. Let me check. Yeah, we're pretty full. I'm going to need that. So we got a full cylinder, and we're shooting for 225 cubic inches. Yeah, we'll make that easy. Make sure there's no, there we go. Any clean rings. So watch that pressure now, the clamp pressure and the clamping signal. It'll go to clamp whenever it gets happy. You'll hear the booster pump kick in, and we're going to wait for all that to happen. Pressure's going up. Let's see where it settles in at. I think I left that at 18, 19 almost. There it is, 19. And we are clamped. It's happy. At this point now, all I'm going to do is hit auto cycle, and you'll see blue go up, top and bottom cylinder. You can watch the paint. You can watch the real-time volume click off, all of the above. We can do 2 cycles if we need to, so we're running. There's that. It hasn't picked. Now it just started counting there at 40%, 50%. That's pretty quick right there. Coming down now, top cylinder. Moving right along. 2 cycles already. Flow rate, you can just about see it. 56. Flow rate's nice to know. And there's complete. So that said, we can do that one more time if you want. I mean, this is all easily settable. I can just make this probably 300 and go all day long with it, you know. Yeah, now it's 300, and we hit auto cycle again. And now let's see if we hit 300, or I might have to go twice. I don't know how much is in the tube. Same thing, 3 cycles at 300 cubic inches. Counting up, there's 180, we might make it. Yeah, we made it, there's 300. Let that finish up, and there's 1 cycle. Takes a little longer. What's our process time? 35 seconds? Yeah, that's okay. Actual, yeah. And watch when it hits the bottom, you get that 3-second delay before you see complete. So that said, we can leave that right there. Again, I'm not going to unclamp. I don't have to, just to be able to switch over to time displacement, if I ever get it. If I can get, wait, let me get, oh, I'm sorry. I think I need to get in the manual here. Manual, and time displacement. And instead of 3 cycles, let's do 1, because it's time-based. 1, I don't know what I'm bumping here. Did I get it? There we go. And time, let's do like 35 seconds. Okay, and now we're going to go up and down for a time base, 35 seconds. So let's go back to the main page. Still 2-way mode, time displacement. I'm just going to cycle start. And watch the count. Now it's different. Now it's 35 seconds target, not cubic inch. And we'll start counting on the way up when I hit my 50%, like now. Now the timer's running. But it only runs on the way up, if you see. Watch it stop when it gets to the top. 9 seconds. As you can see, it takes the entire cylinder now on time. It's different than cubic inches. It was just stop. And this one will come all the way down. But it's not counting time right here. 12, 13, yeah. Maybe on the next one, we'll see. All the way down. And advance the top. Make sure that's all the way down. I think it is. Let's see what we got. Oh, I'm sorry, I was clamping. I should unclamp, no? That works better.